Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Seankbeauty, and welcome to Seank's Beauty Bar, where we grab from the bar and discuss all things beauty. So friends, right out the gate, I'm going to start off with Wednesdays. If you're into skincare, join me. We're going to start the True Skincare series again. A lot of you have said, bring back some skincare too. Don't forget us. So for those who are really into skincare, join me on Wednesdays for the True Skincare series, where we talk about skincare concerns, how to mitigate those, and also the truth behind some of these brands as far as ingredients goes in their products. So you'll be leaving your questions down below and I'll target those, okay? So in today's video, I'm happy to announce that I'm doing this in collaboration with Aileen from Merch Beauty, a beautiful mother of 6 who shows us on her Instagram how she's transformed her skin from day 1, I think it was to day 7, using Chanelmakeup products. So she's in love with Chanelmakeup just as much as I am, and she loves Chanel just as much as I do. She's a luxury beauty YouTuber, and like I said, she's a mother of 6, so she's juggling doing the YouTube thing as well as being a mom and a wife. So that takes a lot of responsibility, but she's very well versed in luxury makeup, and she's super duper hilarious. The woman next door that you want to come over, have lunch with, and do a lot of laughing and talking about makeup. So definitely I implore you to check out her channel. She's just a gracious lady and I absolutely adore her. So yeah, without further ado, beautiful friends, let's get into this video. It's going to be a long one. Please like, subscribe, and share. It really does help out my channel, and my goal on my platform is really to be here for my subscribers. So let's get started, because we've got a lot to cover. Tips, showing you versatility with your products, testing out the new products that I bought, and also this is a great way for you to shop my Chanel stash. So Chanelbeauty is not cheap, so learning about versatility of products is going to be key when using Chanelmakeup. And especially in 2021, I think a lot of us are becoming a lot more astute in our buying. We want to know what we're getting before we get it. So this is a great way for you to see that. All right, let's get started. All right, beautiful friends, right out the gate, we're going to go in with the Ultra Le Teint in BD131. This is a beautiful matte formula. I've heard even those with dry skin types really enjoying wearing this because it's a comfortable matte. This also has light reflecting pigments in it so that it disguises your imperfections. I will tell you all, this does not move around and it is beautiful. Now going into the Chanel concealer that we're testing together, I'm going to let this set under my eyes for a little bit. You all know this has been a technique that I've used forever. And I'm also going to use that to carve out my brow bone while I'm waiting for that concealer to set under my eyes for a little bit. And letting it set really gives it time to really give you that coverage like you see me. I'm shocked by this. It's so beautiful. Then we're going in with the Poupre Brun. This is an eyeshadow, but I'm showing you the versatility it gives. Because it's a purple brown shade, it's actually great as a contour. And I'm going in with a light hand to carve out my nose, and I carved out my jawline. So really, really love this. So this shows you can get more from your product if you know what you're doing, right? And of course, we're going to blend out any harsh lines by using powder on top of it. Now going into powder, we're going in with the Universal Powder from Chanel. This has light reflecting pigments in it. And what I love is that at the moment you start using it, it's very blurring, as you can see here. And it also has light reflecting pigments to disguise your imperfections. Friends, I used this when I was in Miami, and this kept my makeup in place all day long. I also use it on my brows to prevent any fading from happening. Now we're also testing together the Pink Explosion that I unboxed in that video as well. And I'm using it as an eyeshadow just to give me a wash of color right there in that transition area. And what I can say about the Jouer Contrast from Chanel, that's their blushes, is that honestly, they make you look more youthful. They don't exacerbate texture. They are buildable. They blend beautifully. It's just a dream. Now, this does have fragrance in it, so if you're opposed to fragrance, I would stay away from this. And I'm going in with the Ciche, which is from the fall collection that Chanel launched in the fall. And oh my gosh, friends, I saw this technique that Lucia Pica did. And she did it on a model before she went on the runway. And I just thought this was just a smart technique. First, to give you a cat eye, and second, to give you almost a cut crease without using the concealer and showing you where to place the eyeshadow on the lid, because you're actually cutting out your crease with this pencil as well and giving you that depth on the outskirts and that cat eye look. So I'm just going to blend this out with my N200 dual-sided eyeshadow brush from Chanel. And it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that, friends. I'm just going in with windshield wiper motions. And now we're going in with the Couvre Rose. This is a beautiful color. It's copper pink. And this was from the holiday collection. And I'm just using my fingers and I'm taking that into that Ciche on the outskirts. And I'm going in with the Ombre Premier in Grandeur. This is a beautiful shade, friends. And just to clean everything up, I'm using the applicator that came in the compact. And I'm also brightening up my inner corner as well. And as you can see, this just gives a wonderful, wonderful color combination. I'm also taking that Ciche into my waterline. And then I'm going to blend that with a little bit of that Poupre Brun, which is just beautiful, friends. I'm in love with purples and pinks this spring. And now I'm going in with the Le Volume. This is one of the classics from Chanel. Like, everybody loves it. And I'm taking it on my lash line, as well. Okay, so look at this highlight. This is the illuminating powder that Chanel came out with. I can't even remember. I think it was a part of the Le Beiges collection this year. Oh my goodness, friends. And now I'm going in with lashes. This lash adhesive is a definite must because you don't have to wait for it to dry down. The lashes adhere instantly. And now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go in with blush, back into that pink explosion. Oh my goodness, friends, with that contour, with the illuminating powder and that blush, it's just this beautiful combination. Now, you know, my final step is to definitely go in again with powder just to get rid of any harsh lines. And now I'm using the color combo that I mentioned that I was going to do in my previous video when I did the lip swatches of my matte lipsticks. I'm showing you how to use your muted fuchsia as a liner and then ideal. And here is the finished look. Ciao for now.